Hello, I am Triin Varjus.
And I am Kaspar Koolmeister.
We are researchers from University of Tartu in Estonia, and in this video we will be talking about our EPPN 2020 project.
For a brief background, tomato is an important crop plant which is often cultivated in greenhouses. The CO2 levels in commercial greenhouses are usually elevated to boost production. We are working with genetically edited tomatoes that have defective stomatal CO2 regulation. That should allow them to benefit more from the extra CO2.
Our previous experiments in Tartu suggested this hypothesis. However, we currently lack the facilities to grow plants under elevated CO2 conditions. That's why our EPPN 2020 project brought us to Helmholtz Zentrum in Munich, Germany. Here we could use the expo screen chambers, which provide precise environmental control. In the chambers, we grew both the wild type and edited tomato lines under ambient and elevated CO2 conditions. To assess plant growth, size, and leaf area, we imaged them regularly in the photo station. Additionally, we also took separate gas exchange measurements, while the expo screen chambers were also measuring the whole canopy's gas exchange.
In the end of the experiment, the plants in subchambers were divided into 3 groups for different analyses. One group was used to take plant fresh and dry weight in order to assess the effect of the treatment between the plant lines. The second group was harvested for leaf samples. The samples were frozen in liquid nitrogen in order to be used in biochemical analysis. The plants from third group were used to take leaf imprints in order to compare the number, size, and development of stomata. Also, the third group of plants were taken to the Institute's greenhouse to grow fruits. The fruit properties were assessed to compare treatments and lines.
Thank you, EPPN 2020, for providing us such a wonderful opportunity and experience. Thank you, Helmholtz Zentrum US team, for having us. Special thanks to Jana Barbara Winkler for mentoring us, and gratitude to all the other scientists, technicians, and lab assistants for all the help. Our stay at Helmholtz Zentrum Munich provided us with valuable data, which we plan to publish in a high-ranking journal.